Hello, welcome to our Experimenting with Science channel. Today's experiment is breathe in, breathe out. Our required materials are 3 balloons, a plastic bottle, a straw, a Y-shaped connector tube, tape, and scissors. I've prepared the end of my large balloon to be expanded, and I've split my straw into 2 parts. Now let's begin our experiment. I take the connector tube, we take the small balloons, and we thread them through the short ends of our connector tube like this. Then we secure them with tape to ensure no air enters. I also secure my other red balloon. Next, we will thread our tube through the stopper. Now we pass our connector tube through the stopper like this and attach the straw to its end. Now, I cut this part of my bottle. After cutting, I pass the stopper from below and secure it at the top. I make sure there is no air passage at all. Afterwards, I will pass my balloon, whose end I have expanded, from the bottom and secure it with tape. I've passed the balloon, whose end I have expanded, through the bottle and am securing it with tape. Then I place the trachea. As you can see, our lungs are inflating now. As you can see, our lungs are breathing in and out.